Ever locked eyes with someone and instantly felt something? Power, connection, or maybe discomfort? Eye contact is one of the most powerful forms of silent communication, and it can expose exactly who's confident, who's lying, and who's secretly interested in you. Let's break down the psychology behind it, because once you understand this, you'll never look at people's eyes the same way again. Your eyes are like emotional mirrors. They reveal what words try to hide. According to psychologists, maintaining eye contact activates the limbic system, the emotional center of the brain, triggering connection and trust. That's why leaders, confident people, and even manipulators use strong eye contact to gain control of any room. But here's the twist: too much eye contact can feel intimidating or even threatening. Balance is everything. Roughly 60 to 70% of the time is ideal during conversation. Avoiding eye contact often signals anxiety, guilt, or insecurity, but not always. Some people simply process thoughts better when they look away. Holding steady eye contact shows confidence, attention, and dominance, but it can also hint at aggression if your face lacks warmth. Breaking eye contact too soon when talking to someone you like? That's your brain protecting you from emotional exposure. It's a defense mechanism. If you want to appear confident, trustworthy, and magnetic, maintain eye contact for about 3 to 5 seconds at a time. When you look away, do it slowly, not abruptly. Pair your gaze with micro-smiles or soft expressions. It humanizes the connection. The goal isn't to stare, it's to connect. Share with someone who needs to hear this. This is Psych Lens, where we view every aspect of life through the lens of psychology.